Hi and welcome to Angular tutorial. In the last video, we have seen that in one-way data binding, we are sending event information from template to class, that is event binding, and class data is shared to its template with interpolation and property binding. But if you want to change data in one place and it automatically reflect at the other end. For example, if you change the value of the input box, then it will also update the value of the attached property in a component class. We can achieve that with two-way data binding. Two-way data binding refers to sharing data between a component class and its template. It's an automatic synchronization of data happens between the model and the view. That's whenever you make changes in the model, it will reflect in the view, and when you make changes in the view, it will be reflected in the model. And let's see in the action. Let's have a input. For two-way binding, we use ngModel directive with banana syntax that syncs value from UI to property and property to UI. So whenever the user changes value on the UI, it will automatically update its property value. To show the results, let's have interpolation of the property, and here you go. You may notice automatic synchronization of data. Whatever I am typing is binding to property. So whenever the user changes value on UI, it will automatically update its property value. Now let's move on to directives.